Hi there guys, this is Barry and Kim, and we're going to preview this home today in Collier Estate. So this is White Blvd here, and on this property the sellers asked that we use face masks inside. So it'll just give you an idea of the front of the property and what it looks like from the street. So let's go inside. The street, it's White Blvd. It's, it can be a little bit busy, but once you're inside, it's pretty quiet. There's shutters on all the doors and windows, so that's a good thing to have. Eave gutters. There's been a lot of work done with this property since I've seen it last. So this is the view from your front door. So let's go inside. And it's all nicely updated on the inside. We can go over this way first, I suppose. The floors, polished marble it looks like, and they're probably 24-inch tiles. So this, obviously you could have this set up differently if you wished, but this will give you an idea for the space. And over here on the right hand side is the master. Let's go in here. And this is the view from the master. Backyard is beautiful. It's very, very nice. Nice trees, and there's a number of fruit trees there, if memory serves me right. And again, impact shutters on the openings. So here you have your walk-in. There's probably a light somewhere.
I couldn't find the light.
Yeah. But anyway, that's your walk-in closet. And we just spoke with the owner. He's still doing some work on the property and plans to finish a few things, so we'll let you know about that. So that's this side. I'll just go back here. So that's what you see from your master bedroom, which is pretty neat. And we cannot hear any road noise in here.
And he's replacing all the doors.
Yeah, these doors are going to be replaced. You can see the trim. That's pretty nice. The work that was done is pretty good, actually.
We've still got to paint and do some touch-ups in here.
Right. And it would be nice to have that doorway open, that you could use it. So let's go through here to the kitchen. Appliances are newer. Granite countertop, and pass through here to the pool area. It all looks pretty nice, actually. So I'll just go. That's your front door again, just as a reference. So let's go over this way. You have a guest bathroom here. And as you can see, the doors look a little bit shabby, but he said that they're going to replace them. Just show you.
The AC is new.
AC is new, yeah. So let's go here to the garage. It's just your standard 2-car garage. There's a door there to the outside, but it's kind of closed off. And the washer dryer is here in the garage. Some shelving there that would stay. That's your AC unit over here. That's the air handler. condenser will be outside, so you have a little bit of storage over there too. The door looks older. Yeah, the door, it's not impact. So that's something, just make a note of that, that's not impact. So let's go back inside in the house. Guest bedroom. Just a regular closet. It's the view from your window here. We're on a pretty decent sized lot here, so you have a good bit of elbow room. So again, this is see the kitchen here from this angle. It shows pretty well. So let's go down here. On our left hand side is this space that could be used as an in-law suite, or if you wanted to rent it out, I suppose. And we'll show you where the bathroom for that will be. So this door here, this takes you outside to the side. That's the front of the house there. That doorway there takes you out to the pool area, and that's a screen that's down. There's a covering over here as well. But the kitchen, you can see there's newer appliances sitting there, so it looks like a work in progress. The flooring is the same. In this area, it's a pretty good size, and it's shown on the county map as well. There's that sketch there. So that's a sketch from the county, and just there where my thumb is, that's roughly where we are at the moment. We've got a closet here. Attic access up there. And you have to go through this hallway here to get to the bathroom, which serves as the pool bath also. This is a little bit unusual the way it's done here. It's a shower, but for some reason there's a spout there. But it looks pretty nice, apart from just the unusual spout.
And go out to the pool, or
Yeah.
from the store, or?
Yeah, whatever, yeah. So, this is what living in Naples is all about, or in Paradise in Southwest Florida. You can hear a little bit of road noise, and it's 5:30 at the moment, and it's going to be the busiest time for traffic. You can see the shutters up. They have the these bars up. You know, you could take them down. They don't have to be up all the time.
It's a very large pool.
It is a huge pool. Is it concrete or is it fibre? It must be concrete. All right, okay. So let's walk over this way.
All
Yeah.
fenced in.
Yeah. Just trying to measure it there. 1, 2, 4, 5, 15. Yeah, it could be 15 foot wide by 3, 4, 5, 8, 15. It could be 15 by 30 roughly, the pool. That's very roughly. So that's basically the house, this part of it. We'll go out the back in a second and just show you what the yard is like. I think we've all of the inside done, haven't we?
Yes.
But I'll just show you the kitchen again, just to be on the safe side. This space is pretty nice the way it's done. All right, sure. 1, 2. Yeah, so this third one is the bed.
Yep.
Yeah, the bedroom.
3, yep.
Yeah. If you were to use the in-law suite, you're down to 2 bedrooms. All right, let's go out the yard. We can go out this door actually. Here.
3 bedroom, 3 bath.
Yeah. This room is huge, and you know there's many different things you could do with it. So. So a gate here. So you can get an idea for what the yard looks like from here anyway.
2.73 acres.
Yeah.
Great lot.
That's the house from the. We'll just walk around here again on the. This mound that you see towards the front here, that's going to be your drain field for the septic. So that's how much space you have between the properties. So you can see the house from this side. Alrighty, we'll leave it at that. This is Barry and Kim with the Hoey team, and we'll chat to you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.